Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. This is 12th standard business maths chapter 3 exercise 3.2 13th sum. See the 13th sum. A firm marginal revenue function is MR equal to 20 e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x by 10. Find the corresponding demand function. What is the demand function? Yes, it's correct. P. P is the demand function. So R equal to Px, then P equal to R by x. First you should find out the value of what? R. So you can take it as marginal revenue. Marginal revenue. Marginal revenue equal to 20 e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x by 10. 1 minus x by 10. So MR equal to 20 e power minus x by 10. This term I can write it in a proper way. See here, minus 1 by 10 into x plus 1. Minus 1 by 10 into x plus 1. dr is nothing but what? MR is nothing but what? dr by dx. Revenue with respect to x equal to 20 e power minus x by 10 into minus 1 by 10 x plus 1. See here. See, dr equal to 20 e power minus x by 10, 20 e power minus x by 10 minus 1 by 10 x plus 1 into dx, integrating on both the sides. So integral dr equal to 20 is constant, you can take it out, e power minus x by 10, e power minus x by 10 minus 1 by 10 x plus 1 into dx. See the formula. See, e power minus x by 10 minus 1 by 10, differentiation of x is what? 1 into dx. Did you remember that formula? What formula it is? Yeah, integral e power, what is that formula? E power ax a into f of x plus f dash of x. See here, integral e power ax, integral e power ax into a into f of x plus f dash of x into dx, into dx equal to e power ax into f of x plus c, integral e power ax into f of x plus c. Okay, see here, e power, a value is what? Minus 1 by 10. A value is minus 1 by 10. F of x equal to x. F of x equal to x. This is a value. This is f of x. What is f dash of x? F dash of x equal to 1. It satisfies the formula. See here, e power, a value is minus 1 by 10, x into a minus 1 by 10, x is f of x. Differentiation of f of x is what? F dash of x is 1 into dx. What is that? E power ax into f of x plus c. So r equal to, instead of constant c, I can write as what? K. R equal to 20 e power ax, e power minus x by 10, f of x. What is my f of x? X plus k. K. When there is no product sold, x equal to 0, revenue r equal to 0. What is the value of k? What is the value of k here? You should find out the value of k. So 0 equal to 20 into here e power 0 into 0 plus k. Therefore, k value is what? Because 0 into any number, e power 0 is 1, but 0 into any number, 0. So, k equal to 0, r equal to 20 e power minus x by 10 plus k value is 0. Now, you should find out the value of p. P equal to r by x. P equal to r by x. R value is 20 e power minus x by 10 into x minus x by 10. 20, or you can write like this, 20x e power minus x by 10. 20x e power minus x by 10 by x. X get cancel. What is the value of demand function P? P equal to 20 e power minus x by 10. 20 e power minus x by 10. See the 14th sum. It's a very important 5-mark question. Important 5-mark question. The marginal cost of production of your firm is given by C dash of x. C dash of x equal to 5 plus 0.13 x. What is the meaning for that marginal cost? C dash of x, that is dc by dx. dc by dx equal to 5 plus 0.13 x. What is the next one they have given? Marginal revenue. Marginal revenue equal to r dash of x equal to 18. R dash of x is dr by dx equal to 18. Fixed cost. Fixed cost is what? K1. That is C. This fixed cost k equal to 0. You can take it into the cost function, not in the revenue function. Okay. Whenever they have given as fixed cost is rupees 120, you can take integrating of this value k equal to. Don't take it into the revenue function. Find the profit function. Find the profit function. Profit P of x. Profit P of x equal to r of x minus c of x. R minus c. P equal to r minus c. Okay. First you will find out the value of c and r. Then you can subtract that value. dc by dx. dc by dx equal to 5 plus 0.13 into x. dc equal to 5 plus 0.13 into x into dx. Integrating on both the sides. Integral dc equal to integral 5 plus 0.13 into dx. So, c equal to 5 into dx is what? 5x plus 0.13 into x is 0.13 x square by 2. I will write it as what? Plus k1, because revenue is there. So, I will write as what? Plus k1. Constant function plus k1. See in the sum, fixed cost is given. That is fixed cost. Fixed cost k1. Fixed cost k1 equal to 120. Fixed cost k1 equal to 120. Therefore, c equal to 5x plus 0.13 x square by 2 plus 120. Next, revenue. What is that revenue? dr by dx. Revenue dr by dx equal to 18. Okay. So, dr equal to 18 into dx. dr equal to 18 into dx, integrating both the sides. What is the value we are getting? r equal to 18x plus k2. If it is a cost function, marginal cost is given, that fixed cost value we can substitute as a constant term k1. If it is a revenue function, what we have to write? Yeah, when there is no product sold, x equal to 0, revenue equal to 0, then the value of k 0 equal to 18 into 0 plus k2, therefore k2 value equal to 0. So r equal to you substitute k2 value equal to 0 here, 18x. Profit equal to r minus c. What is r? 18x minus what is the value of c? 5x plus 0.13 x square by 2 plus 120 plus 120. You substitute profit equal to 18x minus 5x, you bring it minus inside, minus 0.13 x square by 2 minus 120 profit equal to see 18x minus 5x is what? 3x minus 0.13 x square by 2. When we divide that value, what is the value we are getting? 0.065 x square plus 120 plus 120. This is the profit function. See the 15th sum. If the marginal revenue function is r dash of x, what is the meaning for that? R dash of x, marginal revenue. R dash of x is dr by dx equal to 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square. R dash of x is dr by dx equal to 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square. dr equal to 1500 minus 4x minus 3x square into dx. Integrating on both the side. What is the value of r? Revenue function. R equal to 1500 into dx is what? X minus 4 power 1 means x square by 2 minus 3x cube by 3 plus k, constant k. So r equal to 1500x, you cancel the value 2 minus 2x square, you cancel the value minus x cube plus k. When the revenue function, there is no product sold means x equal to 0, r equal to 0. What is the value of k? 0 equal to, all the terms contains x. So 0 into any number, 0 plus k, k value equal to 0. So r equal to 1500x minus 2x square minus x cube plus 0. So what is the value of r? R equal to 1500x minus 2x square minus x cube. You should find out the value of what? Average revenue function. Average revenue function is r by x. Average revenue function is what? R by x. So average revenue function equal to what is the value? R by X. What is the value of R? 1500X minus 2X square minus X cube by X. You separate the value. 1500X by X minus 2X square by X minus X cube by X. X cancel. What is the final thing? Average revenue function equal to 1500 minus 2X minus X square. 1500 minus 2X minus X square. See the 16th sum. Find the revenue function. Revenue function is R and the demand function is P. If the marginal revenue X unit is MR equal to MR marginal revenue. This is marginal revenue equal to 10 plus 3X minus X square. What is that marginal revenue? dr by dx. Marginal revenue is dr by dx equal to 10 plus 3x minus x square. dr equal to 10 plus 3x minus x square into dx. Integrating on both the sides. What is the value of r? What is the value of r? r equal to 10x plus 3x square by 2. 10x plus 3x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 plus k. Is it clear? 10 into dx is what? 10x. It is power 1. N into x power n equal to integral x power n equal to n plus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 1 plus 1 means 2 by 2. Here x square means x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. X cube by 3 plus k. Revenue. You know very well, if revenue equal to x equal to 0, r equal to 0, all the values contain x. So automatically what is the value of k? K equal to 0. So r equal to, that is revenue function. Revenue function r equal to 10x plus 3x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 plus 0. R equal to revenue function r equal to 10x plus 3x square by 2, 3x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Then you should find out the value of demand function. What is the formula for demand function? Yeah, what is the formula for demand function? Yeah, is correct. R equal to what? Px. But demand function is P. Demand function is P. Demand function equal to P equal to R by X. P equal to R by X. What is the value of R? 10x plus 3x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 whole divided by x. Now you can take it separately. So 10x by x plus 3x square by 2x minus x cube by 3x. X cancel. X cancel. X square. X square. So what is the value for that? Demand function P equal to 10 plus 3 by 2x minus x square by 3. revenue function equal to 10x plus 3x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Demand function equal to 10 plus 3x by 2 minus x square by 3.